Welcome to Wondershare Virbo. Have you ever wanted to showcase your products through videos on your website, social media, or e-commerce platforms? Well, you're not alone. However, traditional e-commerce video production could be tedious and time-consuming. It usually involves multiple stages from product shooting, video editing, audio recording, creating subtitles, or even hiring actors to explain product features. It could be daunting for businesses with a limited budget or minimal resources, but wait, there is a solution. Wondershare Virbo provides one-stop e-commerce video production that simplifies the process, saves time, and is cost-effective. With Virbo, you can get access to features such as importing product images or videos, entering product descriptions, selecting an AI spokesman to explain the product features, and exporting directly on their mobile device with ease. With one-stop e-commerce video production, you can save time and money, as it eliminates the need for several stages in the production process. If you're looking to streamline your e-commerce video production process, then Wondershare Virbo is perfect for you. Download the app now and create videos with just mobile.